Welcome to Nnresgi Educational Society Group of Institutions Integrated Campus. Myself, Suresh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering. In today's lecture, I'm going to explain fundamental lines. What are the fundamental lines in leveling? That is bubble axis, that is line tangential to the curved surface of the bubble tube is called bubble axis or bubble tube axis. See, if you observe here, this line is nothing but bubble tube axis. You see here, whatever the red line which is showing on this instrument, that is called bubble tube axis. The line tangential to the curve of the bubble tube is known as bubble tube axis. Now, vertical axis. Now, what is vertical axis? Axis about which the telescope rotates is called vertical axis. See, this telescope will be rotated. That telescope, if you are rotating, that rotating axis is nothing but a vertical axis. Now, optical axis. The straight line passing through the optic center of the eyepiece and the optic center of the object lens is called optical axis. If you see, this is called diaphragm. This is called diaphragm, and this is a eye vein. So, if you are, this is eye vein and this is diaphragm. If you are seeing from, this is eye vein and this is object vein, the line joining this, the straight line passing to the optic center of the eyepiece and the optic center of object lens is called optical axis. It's called optical axis. Next, line of collimation. What is line of collimation? This line of collimation is very, very important. In this line of collimation, the straight line passing through the intersection of the cross wire or hair and the optic center of the object lens is called line of collimation. See, what is line of collimation means? This is my eye vein and this is object vein. The line passing through the center of eye vein to the center of object vein, that is called line of collimation. That is called line of collimation. The relation between fundamental axis. The line of collimation should be parallel to the bubble axis and the line of collimation should coincide with the optical axis of the telescope. The bubble tube axis should be perpendicular to the vertical axis of the instrument. These all are more important. Permanent adjustments of the level. What are these permanent adjustments of the level? There existing a relationship between fundamental lines. Instrument when used for a period of time gets disturbed and fail to satisfy conditions relations. In such case, we need to perform permanent adjustments. See, these permanent adjustments we need not to do all the times. Over a period of time, you are continuously using the instrument, there is a chance of disturbing these permanent lines. So then we need to adjust these permanent adjustments. If not, we need not. They are done by the manufacturers and is a part of advanced surveying. So whatever these fundamental permanent adjustments will be done by the manufacturer itself, and it's a part of advanced surveying also. So we'll discuss what is height of instrument, backside, foresight, intermediate side, and change of points. These definitions are more important. If you know these definitions, then only you are coming to you are knowing the concept of leveling. That is important. Okay. Thank you.